and welcome back. So for today's video, I have a little bit of a fun makeup haul here. If you like these types of videos, then make sure you subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get on into it. Ordered this from Drunk Elephant. This was from last year's. I love their box. It's always so pretty. When I saw that they were releasing this, I had to pick it up. And I could have waited till the Sephora sale, but you know how you have those there's those random products that like you don't think are gonna sell out, and then they do sell out. And even though like I'm a rouge, so I plan on placing my order like right at midnight, this was just something I didn't want to have to think about selling out. And I was already gonna order this next thing, so I just went ahead and added this. This is the new Wonder Wild Miracle Butter, and I am so excited to try this. Me and my husband and even like my 1-year-old, we struggle with like really like dry areas. Like I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the constant change of the weather in Texas or what. But anyway, so I picked this up because I wanted to try this on not really areas of my face, but more so like my feet and like the random dry patches, and then like the little patches my husband gets that are dry and itchy. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's really, really cute. It's 60 mils, so you get 2 ounces. And yeah, of course, I love Drunk Elephant. I have loved Drunk Elephant for years, so I had to pick that up. But this is initially why I was making the order. I believe this released last year. I don't remember if it was last spring or if they released this at holiday, but this is the Kissy Face little egg thing, the softening routine, and I was gonna repurchase the baby facial in a full size, and I needed to repurchase my La cream because I ran out of that a few weeks ago. And these are both full sizes, and I think this was like $88. So this by itself, the baby facial is $80 for full size alone. So you're basically getting this $60 moisturizer for like $8. So I went ahead and grabbed this set because it was like literally the exact 2 products I was buying and a fantastic deal. So those are the 2 things that I picked up at Drunk Elephant. Now this box is kind of filled with some random things, but first I showed this on my Instagram. My friend Kelsey, hi Kelsey, she sent this over to me. This is the Smoke and Roses palette by ColourPop. I used this on my son's first birthday, which was Friday. It's like that soft feel, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. And whenever it had first was showing, like I texted her and I was like, I love this palette, it's beautiful. And then she bought it, and then she was like, hey, I'm gonna send this to you because I'm never gonna use it. So I used it on my son's first birthday, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I mixed like this one and this one in the crease, and then I swept that one all over the lid, and then I used like this shimmer and that shimmer, and yeah. Oh, I also used this color down here. So I used quite a bit of colors, and it performed beautifully, and I love it, and I'm so thankful to have it. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then I did a video on this, but this is the iMethod Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is really, really pretty. I'm not sure how well you were able to tell, but it gave such a beautiful like little pinky red tint to my lips. I absolutely love it. Right now I have the Patrick Ta Major Volume Plumping in full syringe on my lips. This is kind of essentially the same thing, but this one I feel is a little bit more, I don't want to say pigmented, but it pulled a little bit of a deeper like cherry red on me, whereas this I feel like is kind of pulling a little bit more pink. So anyways, I really like it, and I wanted to show that again. This is in the shade Cherry, and this is so random, but I have wanted this palette for years, like the last couple years, and I've never been able to find it. And if I was able to find it, it was heavily used or like way overpriced. So I kept stalking websites for it, and sure enough, it came up on Poshmark, brand new. I sent the girl an offer, she accepted, and here we are. But this is the Nars Atomic Blonde palette, and Nars is like my favorite brand. So this is what that looks like. This came out in like 2018. So it's an old palette, but it was never used and brand new in the box. And yeah, so I'm so excited to use this. I don't know why all these years I've still wanted it, but I did. Now I have it, and I just like Nars. Nars has always been one of my favorite brands. Now, speaking of Nars, I have a lot of Nars in here. This I ordered from the actual Nars website, and they send you cute samples. So they sent me this mascara. This is the Climax Extreme. I used this the other day, and I will probably end up purchasing the full size because this was really good. I love how like big and fat the brush is, but it's also like, I don't know, man. This formula is bomb, and I really like it. It's funny because my mom likes the original Climax mascara, so this Climax Extreme she'd probably like, but I love it, and I'm really glad that I was able to try it out. Sent me some shades of the soft matte foundation, so hopefully I can test one of these shades out and test this foundation, because I have wanted to try this foundation because I have multiple friends that have loved it. So what I actually ordered from Nars, I had bought this last summer when it released, or early spring, late spring. It was in like May when I think I bought this. This is the Nars Sun-Kissed Bronzing Cream in Laguna. And if you didn't know and you wanted this, it is back on stock in Laguna and Casino on their website as I am filming this. I sold this on my Poshmark because I didn't know how to use it. It is extremely pigmented. I wanted to love it like everybody else did, but I just did not know how to use it. And now that I have like tried out so many cream bronzers, and I kind of know what brushes to use and how to kind of work with them and placement and stuff, I was like, wow, I really wish I hadn't sold that. And then I just so happened to be checking, and it was back on the website. So I got it. And it smells so good. I need a body lotion that smells like this. This is Summer in a Jar, so that's what it looks like. Like I said, this released last year, but if you wanted it and you didn't get a chance to buy it, it is back on their website, and it's in Laguna. So anyways, I went ahead and picked up another one of those because it was there, and I was so ecstatic to be able to get it. But the absolute main reason why I placed this order was I was looking on like the last chance section of Nars's website, and I saw this, and for the price and just the way that it looked, I had to get it. This is the Nars Orgasm on the Beach cheek palette, and it is so pretty. I can't wait to wear it. So anyways, also the packaging, I kind of like collecting Nars too, but the packaging looks like this. It's so freaking pretty. Then on the back you have the names, and then here is the actual palette. Is it gonna show? There we go. It's like it has a sheen, so it's like reflecting off of but this red shade down here, oh, it's super pretty. So excited to have it. I believe everything else that is in here is all from Ulta. So Ulta a few weeks ago was doing a 5 times the points on like women-owned brands. So I picked up some stuff from Jaclyn, and then also, well, we'll talk about it as we get there. So I had this in Yummy Toffee and, oh, I forget the name of the blush, but I think the bronzer was called Yummy Toffee. But my mom has been using the Yummy Toffee, the bronzer part, and she loves it. So I let her have it, but I wanted to pick up another one, and I saw this one in store, and I swatched it, and I was like, I need that. But I waited, and I'm glad that I did, because then I was able to get 5 times the points on it. But this is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronze and Blushing Duo, and this is in the color Hot Lava and Cocoa Rich. And guys, wait till you, like, come on, look at that blush. It is so pretty, and the bronzer is kind of red toned, so I love that for summertime. Definitely sun-kissed. This is so pretty, and I am so happy to have it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to use it. And then this, I went back and forth on this product because I wanted it when it released, and then I was like, you don't use products like that, do not spend your money on it. So I didn't. And then I was like, wow, I kind of really want that, but it was not one of those things that I was like gonna be like diligent about trying to find, and I definitely wasn't gonna buy it off anybody, off of like Poshmark or something. But then she announced that she was bringing it back, And so I asked Kelsey if she liked it, and she sent me like a video like demoing it, and I was like, okay, I think I need it. And so then, even in this new packaging, this is the Jaclyn Cosmetics. If you don't know, I love Jaclyn. I've loved her for like since like 2014, and I love a lot of her products work for me. I don't think I have found one product that does not work for me. I love them. I'm sorry if you don't like her. If you don't like her products, they don't work for you. I love them. And this product I did try out because I couldn't wait. I love this so much. I cannot believe I do not like oily, greasy things, but this is a skin perfecting oil primer, if you guys didn't guess that. And like, look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, I love the silver so much. And it's like a glass bottle, and then you've got the pretty oil. I love this. I love the whole aesthetic of it. I'm so glad that she brought this back in like the silver. I love it so much. It is so good. It made my base look so pretty. And I did what my friend Kelsey said, like I rubbed it between my fingers, and then like I like rolled it. Like I pressed it into my skin and I rolled it. And then I used Jaclyn's skin tint on a brush and like buffed it over it. Oh my gosh, my complexion looks so good, and I have to 100% give it to this product. So I'm so excited that I bit the bullet and I bought this, and no regrets. I'm going to be using this all the time. There we go. If I didn't sell you, I don't know what else I could possibly say to sell you, and it smells like lavender. It doesn't stink. I thought I was going to hate the smell of it because somebody said it's kind of like vegetable oil, and that like made me gag. It doesn't. It's very, very soft, and it smells like lavender. So there's that. And the last product I picked up from Jaclyn is the Lip Prep Essentials Kit. So it looks like this, and it just comes with the lip mask that looks like this in this little glass jar, and then the lip balm stuff. And I mainly bought this because I wanted to try this out. And if you go on Morphe's website or her website, it's like $20 just for the lip balm. So I was like, I might as well get the 5 times the points at Ulta, and for $9 extra, you can get the exfoliating lip scrub, which looks... Is this glittery? I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that, but there's like a really pretty like glittery tint in there. Okay, anyways, 2 products that I grabbed with that order, which then pissed me off because the next day I went ahead and ordered this like last minute that night because it was 5 times the points on women-owned brands, and I added these 2 things in with it because I was already making the order. And then the next day it was 5 times the points on your entire mobile order. So I could have, if I had just waited till the next day, I would have gotten 5 times the points on these 2 products too, but how is one to know? Anyways, this, when I saw it, I was like, you are gonna be mine. This is the Nars Summer Unrated palette. Guys, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, like when I'm talking about summer, this is definitely summer. And I really wish that I could find the Bijou, I think that's what it's called, palette from Holiday. I cannot find it anywhere. I found one on eBay that someone was selling for like 180 bucks, and I was like, I'm not doing that. But I wish that I could find the Bijou one because it's so pretty. But this is the Nars Summer Unrated palette, and like, come on, just look at those shades. And I'm pretty sure that this shade up here in the top corner is the Orgasm shade, like the blush, and then I'm pretty sure that this one right there, yeah, that one right there, that second shade is Laguna. So that's pretty neat that you have it in this palette. But I love this like really like terracotta brown, and then, oh, I just touched it. Wow, I barely touched that, and that's like all over my finger. Excited to have this. And then with that collection, I had to pick this up. This is the Summer Unrated. This is the blush and bronzer palette, and that's what the box looks like, by the way, if I didn't show that. This is the Orgasm X and Casino, because the Orgasm blush is beautiful, but Laguna and stuff, it's too light for my skin. So this is what, I think this one's a little bit darker pink than the lighter palette, and like, come on. And I also kind of got this because I wanted to see how it looked next to the Jaclyn one, but they look nothing alike. So I'll just show you guys that they could be similar, but they're not the same. So, but I wanted both because I haven't been buying makeup for like the last couple years, and I'm feeling all my excitement come back, and now I need to go buy Alex 9 drawers so that I have storage because my desk is not enough space after this. This was from the first day of the Ulta Beauty 21 Days of Beauty sale. So I picked up a beauty blender, just the original beauty blender because it was on sale for 10 bucks. I picked up I'm almost out of my brow pencil, so I picked up the Brow Wiz. Right now I'm using the Brow Definer in soft brown, and I cannot figure out how to not make my brows look blocky with it. So I had been using a mini of like a sample one that came for free in the Skinny Brow Wiz. And I used to use this and back in the day, but I didn't know how to use it back then either because the point was so fine. Now I work better with one like this instead of the fatter one. So, and I actually like the shade medium brown better than soft brown. So this was like on sale for like 10 bucks. So since I knew that I was about to run out of my other one, I was like, might as well grab this one. And then I picked up a bottle of Fix Plus because I've been wanting to repurchase Fix Plus, but like it's expensive, and I have like Urban Decay All Nighter and my Lila Bee spray, and I'm finishing up a Morphe setting spray. So I was like, I'm not going to spend 30 something dollars on Fix Plus right now. It's just not necessary. And then when it was on sale, I went ahead and picked it up. This is just the original one. I love the original scent, but yeah. Anyways, so there's that. And I did just order today. I ordered like 4 of Jaclyn's liquid lips they were on sale for $10 for 21 Days of Beauty. I also ordered some stuff from Talentless, their sale. So I will have a Talentless video coming soon. I know I had a couple people asking me about Talentless, so I will have a huge video on Talentless coming soon. That is it. That brings me to the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. What have you picked up recently? Do any of these products interest you, or did you say past? Have you bought anything from Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty? Also, I'm going to this weekend try and film a Sephora VIB sale recommendations video. I do want to get one of those up, so be on the lookout for that. So make sure you're subscribed and click the little notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload, because I've got a lot of good stuff coming. And also we will have a Sephora VIB sale haul, so you won't want to miss that. But yes, so anyways, I will have all my socials and everything that I can link down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day and night wherever you are, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.